project is trimming a Melaleuca tree. This is a tool I'm using. It's a pruning saw. Came with this handle and an extension, but this wasn't long enough to get where I wanted to go. So I added a piece of PVC piping and put a screw through it to hold it together. This is the limb I'm cutting, where I got the pole. There's where my cut is. Now, I could hire a tree trimmer, but there's no fun in that. Especially I've already lost 5 pounds trimming this tree. Now I'm almost halfway through this limb. When I get to the halfway point, I'll show you what I do next. I put a hook attached to this piece of rope into the branch of the tree, using the pole and the hook secured with a piece of tape, then pull the hook down and left it up there. So that's what I'm going to try to pull this limb down with. If you fall down like I did, make sure there's nothing but grass to fall on. It took a lot of pulling and pushing and trimming to get this limb down, which was caught in other limbs. After some wrestling, this is my downed limb. And thank you, without getting hit by it and killed. Last time I tried to saw through a limb all the way, he came back and swung on me, knocked me off a ladder, and broke my wrist. I've dragged it over to the chop station, where, would you believe it, that is going to end up in a pile like this and into the garbage can. I'm trimming the small branches off and just cutting them with this and throwing them in this pile. Okay, took all the small branches off of it. Now I'll be using this tool to get the little bit bigger branches. Now I'm taking an electric saw to the rest of it. The entire limb is in the garbage can for pickup, and still got room for garbage.